Hey guys, welcome back to the channel McNallie Money, home of all things stock, investment, and personal finance related. Now for today's video, we're going to be profiling a company by the name of Inverite Insights Inc. This is an AI-focused software company that's involved in the lending space, really helping the underbanked population here in North America. There's a number of things to talk about in today's presentation, but before we do, please take a second, hit the like button, you guys. It's a huge help to myself and the channel. It helps get this content to other people like you who may find value. If you're not already subscribed, McNallie Money, feel free to join. And let me know in the comment section below if you're currently holding shares of Inverite Insights, your outlook for 2024, and your overall thought on the fintech or AI sector moving into the next few years. Now with that being said, let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so that's right. Today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Inverite Insights Incorporated, trades here in Canada on the CSE or Canadian Securities Exchange under the ticker symbol INVR, currently trading hands for about 5 cents Canadian. It is listed on the OTC exchange in the United States under the ticker INVRF. And this is an AI-driven software as a service company really focused on lending and loans, or what's known as an LMS or loan management system. Now, obviously AI and fintech companies are all the rage right now, you guys. So I thought this video was very timely. This one was actually a subscriber request as well. Over the last 6 months on the graph here, you can see they've been trading relatively flat since about the middle or end of September of last year. And as we're going to talk about in today's presentation, a lot of opportunity on the horizon for companies like Inverite Insights that are harnessing AI and big data through a software platform to really make informed, smart decisions for the businesses or customers of these products. Now, because this is our first time profiling Inverite Insights on the channel, I wanted to kick it off with their corporate website. I'll leave this linked in the video description below. You can see the tagline, "The future of financial data. Traditional credit scores are not representative for a large segment of the North American population," which we're going to learn about. And as a result, lenders lack confidence in traditional credit bureaus and are now seeking alternative data to make decisions and adjudicate the underbanked customer. And that's exactly where Inverite Insights comes into the equation. So the problem, as we're going to look at in the investor presentation, is 90% of lending decisions in the United States rely on the information provided by TransUnion, Equifax, or Experian. So very select or small group of companies that are involved in this space. And as a result, over 78 million North Americans were considered financially excluded due to the lack of credit on these various bureaus. So these customers are what they refer to as underbanked customers in the real world. Now, Inverite itself offers a number of B2B solutions. So you can see bank verify, ID verification, risk score, and a microcheck. And as you can see under the risk score tab here, the future of risk analytics is here, offering different or differentiated risk models that match the different conditions of the industry in question. For the ultimate performance, they can actually build a custom risk model in addition to banking data that also uses the customer's profile information and customer repayment history to further enhance those AI algorithms. So really scouring for additional information or data to help banks, lenders, and creditors make informed decisions when they're giving out or issuing loans to customers. And you can actually see some of the features and benefits listed below. So their machine learning powered algorithms will actually leverage insights from over 1 million banking reports. They'll give you a heads up at a glance applicant summary. So number of deposits, withdrawals, non-sufficient funds or NSF, highest balance, lowest balance, and average balance, which is super interesting, you guys. So they can actually check in on customers' banking information and historical averages within their accounts. They can then use this information to come up with their own proprietary AI model risk score that can then help lenders make better informed decisions. Now, interestingly enough, the name Inverite Insights gets its origin from veritas, which originated in Latin and signifies truth or veridity. And that's really where the company's been built, by echoing that ancient pursuit of truth, ensuring transparency, accuracy, and helping navigate the intricacies of this modern verification process. Now, why Inverite, you may ask? Well, like I said, they're filling that gap that other credit assessment tools or methods often fall short in, failing to consider the full spectrum of borrowers' financial situations. You can see since they were founded in 2015, they've got over 7 billion data points, 4 million Canadian consumers, and over 286 financial institutions integrated into the platform. And this is what gives them that full holistic image about these applicants or customers that helps paint that overall financial picture for each one of these individuals. Now, if we pivot into the investor presentation, you can see they do a great job of laying out the problem here, which is really how to accurately and adequately serve that underbanked population here in North America. And then the solution, which we've just learned about, the Inverite machine learning AI risk model, which uses that B2B or business to business partner network to gather the billions and billions of data points that go into this AI driven model. Now, although this organization originated in Canada and has focused their growth here, they're now looking to launch in the United States under what's known as a risk model as a service, or RMAAS company. So similar to software as a service, but now risk model as a service itself as a unique identifier or differentiator, with that RMAAS product being the first of 3 listed, alongside income insights through payroll integration and mitigating payment risk by using a pay wallet collection system and securing the company's revenue streams. So a variety of ways that they can actually come in and help your organization, not only on the risk front, but actually on the payment, collections, payroll, and internal operations as well. As you can imagine, based on all the excitement in the AI space, there's definitely competition. You can see many of which also have AI in their name. So Judy AI, for example, but none of the current competitors offer the overall broad spectrum or platform that Inverite Insights can offer, as they're currently the only option that supports neobanks, the pay wallet collection or debit rails, with them being only one of 2 providers of that RMAAS or risk model as a service offering. And you can see that lays out their competitive advantage at the bottom, blending unparalleled risk decisioning, strategic collections, and instant bank verification for data accumulation. We're not just protecting lenders' revenue, we're redefining how the underbanked are adjudicated. So now that we've learned about Inverite Insights, their platform, and the problem that they're trying to solve, I wanted to talk about the TAM, or total addressable market opportunity, for the fintech and AI sector as a whole. Now, as you can see here, you guys, in 2023, so last year, the North American fintech market was valued at around $184 billion, 23 billion of which was lending and 27 billion of which was AI. However, in just 10 short years, so by 2033, they're expecting that to balloon to $831 billion overall in the fintech market, 146 for AI alone, so AI overtaking the lending sector itself, and lending making up $137 billion, again representing around 78 million individual people. So the fact that Inverite Insights is going after such a huge addressable market, and the fact that they've got multiple revenue streams, so the transactional revenue, which is based on a price per bank verification and ID verification scale, so basically piece rate here based on the number of verifications that they do, and that RMAAS revenue models. So this will be more of a software subscription or recurring revenue model, again allowing lenders to utilize risk score, collections, pay wallets, and streamline those collection systems. And you can actually see the proof is in the pudding here, with the number of Inverite transactions steadily increasing over the last few fiscal years, along with the number of active merchants shown in the dark blue line increasing steadily as well. And then finally, they give a nice little timeline of last year with some key milestones and achievements, including net income of just under $383,000 for the 9-month period, surpassing 4 million unique customer interactions, and strengthening their leadership team, just to name a few. So for those reasons, you guys, this is definitely one worth taking a look at if you're looking for exposure to the AI, software, and fintech sector, specifically here in North America. The other thing I really like about this company is very high insider ownership, coming in at 47.5%. Small float, you guys, small market cap, and a great opportunity to get in at the ground floor and a really exciting space or sector. Now, I'd be super curious to hear your thoughts in the comment section below, specifically if you're already holding shares of Inverite Insights. Let me know your thoughts, your outlook for 2024. If you're still watching, hopefully you found some value, so make sure you hit the like button. And if you're not part of the community, you guys, almost 42,000 subscribers, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon to get those real-time notifications about my videos. It's a huge help to myself, the channel, and helps get this content to other people like you who may find value. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next update.